Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the calendar. A calendar is a type of booklet or large sheet that divides the year into 12 months. So, the year is broken up into months, weeks and days. In simple terms, 1 year equals 52 weeks, which is 12 months, which is 365 days, or 366 days in a leap year. Remember that a year has 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Different calendar formats. Calendars are presented in different ways. The following are some of the most popular. So here we have the 12 months of the year. Normally they will appear in a large booklet and you have one page for each of the months. So you might have 12 or so pages there, and that keeps track of your activities, because sometimes we need the calendar to know exactly what the date is in case we have some commitments and we need to plan our week or our month. There are also desktop calendars. So desktop calendars normally show the month that is occurring at any given point in time. So when the month of December finishes, you will get a new one of these calendars and you'll put it on the month of January because that's the first month. When that month finishes, you flip over this page and it takes you to February, and you keep going all throughout the year. Mobile phones. Nearly every modern mobile phone has some type of calendar contained in it. The type of phone will determine how simple or involved the calendar appears. So this is a typical view here, which will show you what the calendar looks like on this particular phone, but a lot of the phones are different and the calendars are very, very sophisticated. Diaries. Some diaries show a single day on each page. This depends on the needs of the user. So some users prefer to have a diary like this. They have a lot of room to write things on a single page each day. Other people prefer to open the diary up and see the whole week. So many diaries show a whole week to an opening. Again, the needs of the user determines what style of diary is used. For example, when I was teaching, I preferred this type of diary because I could see the activities for the whole week. So this video has given you some basic information on the diary. We've seen a few different types of diaries, not forgetting now that most people actually use their diaries on their mobile phone.